Hello everybody, this is class 7 geography. You know that in our last class we have discussed about the chapter changing our earth. Means earth is going to change. What kind of changings are there and how earth is going to change, that is our discussion point. We know that around the earth there is a blanket. Blanket means not that blanket what we are going to use in winter. It is just similar concept. We are going to say that earth is covered by a blanket of air. When winter is there, we're going to wear sweater, we are going to use comforter, jackets, a lot of woolen materials, the substances which is working as insulator. Means in between our, suppose it is a sweater, and in sweater and in between body there is a air column. Sweater and body air column. This air column is totally heated up, and my body heat or temperature is going to be transmitted over here, and the air in between the sweater and body is going to be heated up, and it is working as an insulator. So for that reason, when cold wind comes, it cannot make us puzzle. Why? Because we feel hot. Why? Because between atmosphere, sweater and me, my body, there is a air column, and that is known as blanket, and that is known as atmosphere in the case of earth. This atmosphere is made up of air, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, inert gases, such and such and such, but main gases are carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen. CO2, N and O2. Oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. And this atmosphere helps us and protects us from the cosmic effects of the universe. As because there are a lot of phenomena are going to be happened in cosmic zone that is not come to our touch. Why? For this atmosphere. It is a protect guard shield. You know that sometime we are going to see shooting stars. What is this? Materials will come to the effect and contact with the earth atmosphere, and it is going to be friction with atmosphere and burnt out. So we cannot going to get any harm. So atmosphere is going to change. Think that you are going to take a blanket, a sweater, day by day, after day by day use, it is going to be torn, ruptured, and we are going to feel cold. Why? Because by this passing area, by these holes, generated holes, wind is passing and we are feeling cold. We are shivering for cold. But if it is intact, we will be healthy and happy. But that is not. Why? The atmosphere is going to be changed. Basic reason is industrialization. Basic reason is infiltration. Basic reason is the growth of carbon dioxide. It is going to heat up the atmospheric temperature. We know that atmospheric temperature is known as ATM. Atmospheric mass and atmospheric temperature. And NPT, normal pressure and temperature. What is that? Either 0 degree Celsius or 32 degree Fahrenheit or 273 degree Kelvin. It is the standard measurement of temperature. And we are going to calculate accordingly that what is today's atmospheric pressure, what is today's atmospheric temperature, accordingly that in different scales, only 3 scales, centigrade, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. And atmospheric pressure either by 76 centimeter mercury column height or 760 millimeter mercury column height, and it is going to be counted as per the standard of mean sea level. Mean sea level, MSL. What is that? I am going to consider the two concepts. Number one, Mount Everest, 8,848 meter, and Mariana Trench in Pacific Ocean, more than 11,000 something, means the difference between the height of Everest and Mariana Trench is more than 3,500 meter. This maximum depth in negative and positive from some certain level, that is zero level, and this zero level is sea level, sea surface, that is known as mean sea level. And nowadays we are going to see that the mean sea level atmospheric condition is going to be deteriorated day by day, minute by minute, second by second, only for the maximum infiltration of carbon dioxide and ozone layer perforation. Every day the number of cars are increasing in our city roads. Millions of cars are running. They are spreading lead and carbon dioxide, and that is going to be accumulated in atmosphere and created heat. And that is going to make a disaster for the atmospheric imbalances. And that is known as the condition and effect of global warming. Global warming is a very simple matter, and it could be protected only by three ways. Number one, to do more forestation, to prevent cutting the trees, soil erosion, and limited industrializations or scientific industrializations, by which we could prevent it and we could save our life. And these all factors, when atmosphere is going to change, so naturally there will be a chance of earthquake, there will be a chance of volcanic eruption, there will be change of the sea level or water level increase or decrease, and also sometimes earthquakes is going to be happen for the maximum temperature, rainfall, and the ice melting in polar regions due to the endogenic and exogenic plate tectonic pressure change, and earthquake occurs and we are facing devastation. So these are the other incidences of our changing earth. Next day we will move again. Thank you very much. Have a good day.